Hi, I'm Chloe. Today I'm going to share one of my favorite English learning tool, which is called Napkin AI, and it helps me turn my messy thoughts into clear mindset. So let's take a quick look. You can see this is the interface of the Napkin AI, and there are 3 ways for you to add a new napkin. First is to draft with AI, and second is you can import another file, and the third is you can just start with a new napkin, just like I'm going to do next. This is the example that I'm trying to demonstrate. It's about plastic bags. And remember, you can also add a prompt for Napkin AI so that it would better understand your purpose. Then just click the blue lightning icon. It will start generate the visual information for you. So you can see many kind of different styles for you to choose from. And also, Napkin AI allows you to switch from summary to detailed, and I usually prefer the detailed version because that allows me to better understand the context and know the context more deeply. Now let's try with another feature called Draft with AI. When I type, "How can I improve my English writing?" you start to generate a series of ways for you to improve your English writing. And now we can choose one of the paragraphs to visualize the information like we just did. So with Napkin AI, I can both visualize the information and generate the writing ideas all in one place. And also in a fast, clear, and really helps me thinking English. So you should really try it out for you to generate your future project.